Like most yoga teachers, I thought the main benefit of deep breathing centered around increasing lung capacity. However, now I'm in my 60s, and after 20 years of teaching yoga, I've discovered why such thinking doesn't get anywhere close to the real benefit of this breathing exercise. Before I go into all this, let me first just go through the basic synchronized breathing pattern. And along the way, I'm going to expose a few myths. Basically, it's very simple. Inhale through the nose for 6 seconds, as deeply as you can to expand open the chest. And then exhale all that air through an open mouth, again for another 6 seconds. And you repeat 6 seconds in through the nose, 6 seconds out through an open mouth. The movement that goes along with this breathing pattern goes like this. Stand tall. Get your body weight evenly distributed on your feet with a gentle upward energy of the chest lifting up to elongate the spine. You must avoid the common myth of contracting the thighs or leaning back on your heels, as all that does is create tension in the body, trapping in your inner stabilization strength. Okay, so stand tall, interlace your fingers, loosely place the knuckles under the chin, shoulders relaxed. Do not force the elbows to touch, because this will create tension in the upper back muscles, the shoulders, which again inhibits your inner strength from coming out. So this is the starting point. Okay, so now inhale through the nose, expand the chest. When the lungs are full, exhale, chest up, head back, elbows forward. Then keep the elbows up, and on an inhale, chin down, elbows back up again. Lengthen spine, full lungs, exhale, chest up, head back, elbows forward. Inhale. Lengthen, full lungs, exhale. Don't lean back. Now, an absolute beginner would have fused this basic pattern into their muscle memory relatively quickly, in a matter of a few classes. Most beginners find inhaling deeply challenging, but it doesn't take that long before the body adapts and they're able to inhale relatively deeply. The big issue many beginners suffer from is anxiety about dropping their head back. And rightly so. You should always keep your neck relaxed, no matter what activity or movement pattern you are doing. Your body has a built-in defense system that's always trying to keep the body safe and out of any potential danger. All the communication signals between the brain and the body go via the neck. So that defense system likes to keep your neck well away from danger. If, as your head goes back, you feel pinching in the neck, you can be sure your defense system is kicking in, resisting any more movement backwards. If you feel pinching, something is fundamentally wrong. One myth which you'll often hear is that you should gently push the chin back with the knuckles, which is totally crazy. Pushing your body into submission never works. All you do is end up fighting with your own defense system, which is not a great idea to enhance your mind-body connection. Another myth is to look back. Looking back neurologically stiffens the neck, so your neck will never be free of tension. Look, if I simply drop my head back, I can go to about here before I feel pinching, tension. I could very easily force my neck back, so I get to that point there, feel tension, but I'm going to force it back, and all my shoulders are tight now. My neck is tight, but I can go to there. I'm forcing it back, and I've got my upper back muscles, my shoulders, my neck are full of tension, tight. However, if I relax the shoulders and the neck and allow my inner stability muscles to come out to play, I can go back far more before I feel any tension in the neck or shoulders. So relax the shoulders, relax the neck, relax. Inhale, exhale. I'm going to have a gentle energy of driving the throat forward and up using my inner stability strength. Inhale, exhale. Relax, 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 open, relax and 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 open, relax. About there. I can now start to feel a little bit of tension starting to creep in the shoulders, but only a mild. I could carry on a little bit, but that's where the tension starts to creep in. For perfectly controlled movement of the neck has to be beautifully relaxed. However, here is my main point. How far your head can go back or how far you're able to get your elbows up is what beginners think about. Once you have the basic pattern in place, you are ready to move beyond this simple beginner's mindset. It's time to view deep breathing with a different headspace. Now you must view deep breathing as a pre-match prep talk. Imagine you are a coach giving a pre-match prep talk to your team. In that talk, you are reminding the team of what you are expecting from them. In our case here in deep breathing, you are reminding your body that if it is unable to relax and release tension, your inner stabilization strength will be locked away inside of you, unable to come out. You are reminding your body that it must relax and release tension to enable flexible, agile, powerful movement. You are reminding your body that depth is irrelevant to you. What matters far more is stability, control, and quality of movement. This prep talk is very easy. All you need is a single mantra: relax and open. Relax, meaning relax all your surface muscles and release all tension. Relax, meaning you must never feel any pinching or compressive force to the body. With the body relaxed, free of tension, your inner core strength is no longer trapped inside of you, and it is now free to engage in the second part of the mantra, open. Open meaning to engage your inner strength to open out the body with all the joints unlocked, fluid, engaged, dynamic, never relying on gravity. If you wish to enhance your yoga practice to forge transferable abilities you can use in your daily life or enhance your sports performance, improving health, being relaxed and open is the secret magic key. Check out my website. You will discover an enhanced level of non-thinking, turning off that thinking mind. Your abilities will then explode.